cannot erase makeup. This feels like a cloud. And once I start using sunscreen on her, I'm washing it off with and still, anybody erasing makeup with nobody, right? What is up, everybody? This is CYoung Method. Welcome back to my channel. So while I am scrolling down the social media, what I find it really interesting is globally popular viral cleansers are actually not popular here in Korea. So in today's video, I gather all the viral 12 Korean cleansers and compare global #1 here and Korea #1 here. And oh, so many of you guys are coming to my channel researching how to use the cleansing oil properly. I gotcha. So I will also show you how to use the cleansing oil without breaking out. Because even though you bought like $100 different cleansers, if you just don't know how to use properly, you're just getting $100 breakouts, right? And before we start, I saw more than 70% of you guys didn't subscribe yet, so please go ahead, subscribe, like me, and put the notification bell so don't miss out my new videos. Anybody tried these cleansers? Please put your skin type and how was it on your skin so we can help each other on CYoung community. Okay, ready? Let's get started. And still, anybody erasing makeup with a cleansing foam? Still, right? Nobody, right? Oh. Cleansing foams cannot erase makeup. Okay, makeup is when it comes to like foundation, concealer, anyway, lip colors, everything is an oil base. So oil has to be removed with oil. So when you actually do makeup, any kind of like sunscreen still, you have to erase with an oil cleanser. So oil cleansers would be just classic cleansing oils, or later I'm going to show you cleansing lotion or cleansing milk. So those are oil-based cleansers. So when you are do something makeup, you have to remove with these. So cleansing foam is only for like a easy removable sunscreen or like only no makeup day. Or anybody doing double cleansing, you can use it for the second cleanser. So these are gonna be first cleanser, and if you're gonna do the double cleanse, this is gonna be the second cleanser. Okay? When you're gonna double cleanse, you have to cleanse this and this. However, I never double cleanse. I think I double cleansed like 10 years ago. No need. If you completely rinse off the first cleanser, no need. How to use cleansing oil without breaking out. Step 1, dry hands. 2 to 3 pumps, no water yet. Step 2, massage your nose and chin. That's where sebum hides. Add a splash of water and keep massaging 30 more seconds. This is the key step. This is where your pores release everything. Don't skip it. Step 3, rinse. 10 splashes 3 times. Minimum 20 total. So many people clear their skin just from this. Trust it. Dry hands, massage, add water, rinse 30 times. Go try it now. Starting from the viral King Anua cleansing oil versus Manyo cleansing oil. Both are actually really popular on social media, but this one definitely king on globally, but not that much in Korea. But here in Korea, I think 7 years in a row, #1 Olive Young. Both are okay. To be honest, Korean cleansing oils, nothing really sucks. So it depends on your skin type and your preference. But for my preference, I would just gonna pick this. But if you're a newbie of the cleansing oil, never tried it before, I know you guys are kind of really worried. Am I breaking out with the oils? Is it okay to use on my face? I'm an oily skin. Then please start with this because the texture, definitely this one feels more like a thick oil, that consistency, but this feels more like an oil-like. So I think even for like oily combo skin, you guys will feel less burden. Usually the cleansing oil is really powerful when you're melting down the blackheads, but I felt this is more like a oily oil, so I feel this works better in that. But this, if you just only use until like a really light makeup, until the sunscreen, totally work well. And like the price also good entry level. However, if you are dry, mature skin girly like me, and after you cleanse it, your face feels too tight, then which means your cleanser is too much dripping your oil, I recommend this. I think of course it cleanses so well. a little scent. I think that's like little minus, but amazing benefit of the manual cleansing oil is even though you finish the cleansing, it felt still moisturizing. It doesn't strip your oil that much. So I think in that way, still this one like number one for that long, but please both. Anyway, the cleansing oil is very effective on the cleansing, but some people can react to it, so please keep that in mind. So both are okay. My pick was this. If you're a newbie of the cleansing oil and oily combo girly or guy, please try this. Another viral king globally is Skin 1004, and Korea much more popular and more reviews are numbuzin Easy Peasy cleansing oil. Wow, both are pretty okay, but my pick would be this. Also similar as Anua, I think globally popular products like Anua and Skin 1004 cleansing oils are more like a oil-like, not too heavy. So I think overall, even though you're like newbie, you can still start with it. But one thing for Centella, I think if you're okay with the Centella, totally fine. And for me, it was okay. But while comparing to these two, it's not as heavy as manual, but anyway, a little heavier oil-like consistency than this. So whenever I use this kind of like, especially this, it feels really watery. So I always use too much pumping because I feel it doesn't emulsify well, and I feel it's just like too water, so I have to add it more. So I always ended up adding a lot. And one of my super close makeup artist friend, Sally, she's an oily combo girly. She loved this so much. She said whenever she uses like a cleansing device together, it just like her blackheads like pumping out so well. So for me, I just used my finger, so I didn't really see that much, but definitely cleansing so well and not as heavy as manual, but definitely it's a good one. So I will pick this. And dry mature skin girly, anybody pretty familiar with the cleansing oil, you can still go with this. But if you still are newbie of the cleansing oil, this is better. Next, moving on to foam cleansers. I just don't recommend double cleansing because you can still erase with only first cleanser. Cleansing foam. Round one, global number one goes to Anua versus Manya. Wow, again, a rival forever. So definitely these two are actually targeting for more oily combo skin. So I tried it to my skin and definitely I thought again, I'm not gonna use this on my face forever because it was too dry. While making the bubbles, it was kind of fun, and even the bubbles was pretty good. This is more dense, so it feels like really softer. Whenever I just cleanse it on my face, it feels like pretty good. But after you dry your skin, wow, starting again, it feels too tight. So I tested on my hands here too. So similar stripping, similar drying, but this was a little more drying for me. So even though you guys are oily combo skin, like super oily skin, I never ever recommend these for the double cleansing products because it's gonna be too much. So these two products I just recommend it for easy removable sunscreen or only one-time cleansing. Only you guys are using this. Okay, so both are low alkali cleansing foam. So this one a little better, but still, if you are like dry, sensitive skin, I just don't recommend it that much. But a little better, a little better. And round two goes the global number one, very popular Dokdo versus Be Plain, what is actually now super getting more popular in Korea. So these two are low acidic cleansers, which is different from the first round. So if I compare, definitely a lot better to use it as a second cleanser because less dripping oil on the skin. So less tight on my skin. But I feel both are pretty good, but I feel this is a little more stronger cleansing power and this is less stronger cleansing power, which means it doesn't really erase that well, but really soft. I just tried it those babies, and then after this, I feel my skin feels a lot more breathing. So if you guys are sensitive with more dry, mature skin, definitely these two are better options. But this is super thick, so if you just only left over a little bit, so it's a little annoying to like pop up, but still very, I was testing with many guys too. Pretty good. Pretty good. So if you want a little more cleansing power, this works better. If you want more milder, this would be better. Round 3, still so popular globally, is a Skin 1004, super soft Madagascar foam. And wow, it's a newbie I am mentioning at first on my channel, Lagom Foam Cleanser. So much reviews on Korea Olive Young and it become viral. What I saw from the shorts was like, do you guys know the Lisa Bae? She's like one of the most followers Korean beauty YouTuber, really well known, and she even did the judge of the reality show of the Korean makeup artist show, Survivor artist show. So on the camera, it was it was just like a random recording, and then some of the guests, the comedian asked her, what are you really using at home for the foam cleanser? And she said, oh, only I'm only using this. So that was all over. I don't think that's like a advertisement, because she already, I think she already always mentioned this on her videos, but I think because of that shorts, this become more popular, and that's why I started to use this. If you dry sensitive skin, whatever you use it, your skin feels too tight, try this. This feels like a cloud. I know this is great job. Still, if you just wanted to do double cleanse, both are great for the second cleanser because it's so mild and soft. This is soft, but this is softer. So I love it so much. So anybody sensitive skin to red prawn, please. And still, everybody know, right? So cleansing foam, you're not making bubbles on your face, and never ever. You become like a red. You become like a paprika, okay? So please make the bubble here, and you're only cleansing with the bubbles, okay? Then this feels like a cloud. Love it. The next round is gonna be cleansing milk. So many of you guys mentioned this yam. Isn't-tree yam cleansing milk. This one, I feel it's more viral on the social media globally. So this would be, I would consider as a global popular. And this Olive Young steady seller, #1 for many, many years on cleansing milk. So both, pretty good. Pretty good. Anybody, CYoung, I cannot use cleansing oil because my skin is so sensitive. Please try any of this. But let's say this is more like a classic cleansing lotion. When you think about the lotion, like that kind of like very classic stuff. So anybody wanting to try like the first time trying the cleansing milk, I would recommend this baby. Their cleansing foam is also great, very mild, love it. But which is a little different is this one feels like a little natto. Boing, boing, boing. So it's a little fun, and at the same time, cleansing lotion still feels like a lotion here, but this sticks better on the skin. So if you are more like adventurous, wanting to try, this is also kind of good and fun. So my baby is 9 months old, and once I start using sunscreen on her, I'm washing it off with Make Prim. Another makeup artist did the same for her kid until age 7 on heavy pool days. That's how gentle this is. For me, dry mature skin mornings are just water, but when my nose is full of white hats, Make Prim. Zero irritation, instantly smooth. Sensitive skin and lost on cleansers, try a cleansing milk. Seriously, try it. So how was it? Hopefully this video also helpful for you guys. So, and anything if you guys want to see at the next video, please put it at the comment. One day, a package from Lithuania suddenly arrived at my door. My online student S had sent gifts all the way to Seoul. The box was filled with Lithuanian cosmetics and snacks. It honestly felt like both Christmas and my birthday at once. Our little boss Naun was also very busy investigating everything. There was even baby body wash and lotion for Naun, plus snacks for my husband too. Uoga is a natural beauty brand from Lithuania that's been getting pretty popular in Europe lately. As thank you so much. Knowing you has truly been such a gift and a blessing in my life. Sending you so much love. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. It means so much to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. 안녕!